Hello everyone, so for today's video, I will be teaching you how to use XM app po, no? So how to do Forex trading, okay? How you can use this platform, very safe platform, also licensed para makapag-trade ka ng Forex, no? So more than 10 years na to guys, and if makita mo dito, ang dami nilang licenses. So this has been operating for a really long time now, and I've been using this for more than 4 years already. So of course, if you haven't subscribed in our channel, do not forget to subscribe. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content every single day, and let's just jump right into it. So XM platform is available to download on mobile or even in iOS, no? So you can also use it on the PC via their web trader, and also it's very easy to download. So just scan it if you want. Okay, I will be zooming it in, and also I will be putting all of the necessary links into the YouTube description box as well. So like what I've said, you can trade using MT4, MT5, or even their web trader. So more than 1,000 instruments. They also have cryptocurrencies here. So they also have commodities, stocks, metals, gold, diba? See what you want, and they have it. Dito naman sa portion na to, makikita mo naman yung sentiment ng mga traders, no? Kung sell ba or buy ang Euro USD, USD JPY, no? So nakalagay po yan dito. And also they have a lot of seminars, free seminars, okay? And even webinars po, no? So makikita mo yan dito guys sa research and education. Makikita mo meron silang live, meron din silang seminars, no? So they are having a seminar here in Manila this November 26. So just 200 seats available. This is free po, no? And also they are having a lot of seminars and events on all over the world. They're even in Morocco, Costa Rica, Ecuador, iba-iba po yan guys, no? So mapasaan country ka guys, you can learn how to forex trade, how to trade, and also this platform is very easy. Like what I've said, I've been using this for more than 4 years now. I started forex trading when I was 18 years old, and this is the first platform that I've been used, and until now I am still using this platform because why? It's very convenient, ang dali mag-deposit, ang dali din mag-withdraw, and I will show you how to do it. So kapag nag-login ka sa loob ng XM platform, no? So ito po yung makikita nyong dashboard, no? So meron silang 100% bonus that you can claim and 20% bonus, di ba? If you want this one naman, no? So ang dami nilang offers that is currently existing, no? So first one is itong bear months nila. So yung bear months nila is wherein, okay, kiklik ko na lang sa inyo para makita po natin pare-parehas, no? So, kapag meron ka pong $200 balance sa loob, 'di ba? Yun na yun. Ibig sabihin, register ka na lang dito, and also may chance ka na to win a card din, 'di ba? So, ang dami dito guys na promotions. Actually, dito pa lang sa home, balik tayo guys, no? Dito pa lang sa 100% bonus, panalo ka na eh. Kasi totoo lang guys, itong 100% bonus na yung ibang brokers, they are not doing this. So unless meron ka kakilala talaga and VIP ka, talagang bibigyan ka ng bonus. Pero si XM are very friendly, no? They are I would say sila yung biggest talaga na forex broker, no? And imposibleng hindi mo alam tong platform na to if nagfo-forex trade ka. So like what I've said, you can deposit and withdraw funds here very easily. They support a lot of payment methods na tinatawag, no? So there's GCash here, there's Google Play, there's Visa, there's MasterCard, there's even cryptocurrencies here, Bitcoin, Binance, Ripple, USDT, you can do it here, diba? So, of course, for ako dati, traditional way, Skrill talaga ako. Ang hirap actually magpasok ng pera sa Skrill. Kasi ang taas ng fees, no? Pero now, they have GCash, no? So, it makes it easier for everyone to deposit and also to start trading inside XM, no? So, what you just need to do, just click the deposit here and then just put the USD that you want. Let's say $200, and then just click the deposit and you will be prompted naman na to the GCash page. So also, okay, para naman mag-withdraw, diba? It's very easy din kasi kung ano yung nakikita nyo deposit method, yun din po ang withdrawal methods. No? So, let's go back now. Okay, how you can withdraw this. Okay. So, you can withdraw it via your online bank transfer. So, ito is pre-save ko na actually to. Pero you can also withdraw via Visa, via StickPay, Perfect Money, and even in other stuff as well. No? So, ngayon, let's move forward na doon sa paano nga ba mag-forex trading, no? So, yung forex trading pretty much works the same lang naman in terms of crypto. If nagki-crypto ka na, madali na sa'yo mag-forex trading. Ang pinagkaiba lang naman yan is symbol. Pinagkaiba niya is symbol, tawag doon yung risk management kasi iba po ang galawan sa crypto. Sa crypto po kasi, ang galawan sa crypto ay leverage, no? Tapos, tawag doon isolated and cross. Dito naman, sa platform na to, ang galawan po dito ay pips lang, take profit and stop loss. So if nadadalian ka na sa crypto trading, madali na sa'yo mag-switch sa forex. Kasi actually, mas simplified, much easier mag-trade ng forex, no? Kesa sa crypto. Kasi ako, experience ko galing ang forex, lumipat akong crypto, ang hirap mag-compute ng risk management. Unlike sa forex, guys, pips lang ang kailangan mo, okay na. Pips, tapos take profit, stop loss, diba? Lagay ka lang ng risk-reward ratio, tapos na. Alright? So, paano mag-trade? Very simple. You buy low, you sell high. Or you sell at high, and then you can buy low. Diba? So, it pretty much works the same on long and short. And syempre, you can trade here kasi they also support cryptocurrencies, no? So, as you can see here, baba po tayo dito. Diba? Punta po tayo sa kanilang website. So, yung makita mo dito sa website, they are supporting crypto CFDs. Alright? So, that's pretty much the simplified version on how you can use the XM app. So, ayan yung sinasabi kong Bear Months promo, guys, no? So, we're gonna go more in-depth into Forex po, no? On our future videos to come. Pero, of course, let's save it for later para ibig sabihin, gusto ko yung video na yun ay talagang very focused kayo. Papanoorin nyo from start to finish, no? So, ngayon, more of explanation din. Pero, about dun niya sa Forex na tinatawag ko, it pretty much works the same as crypto, no? You buy low, you sell high, you sell or you put short at the toppest and then you want to buy or you want to close it kapag bumaba siya. Right? So, the good thing about Forex is that you can trade or you have a chance to win on your trades, okay? Whether the market is up or down. So, wala ka masyadong pakialam kung mababa or mataas ang presyo ng market. Ang pakialam mo is kung ano yung position mo right now. Are you at the top? Did you sell at the highest when you know that the market is going down, or you are buying at the lowest when you know the market is going up? So, yun po ang galawan dito sa Forex trading, no? Even, ayun nga, going back dito po, no? So, medyo may commercial tayo, no? So, ito yung 100% deposit bonus promotion nila from November 15 to December 16. So, make sure to check this one out, guys. And there's a lot of things that are going on inside the XM. So, let's dive deeper more into the future as well. So, of course, guys, do not forget that to subscribe into my channel. This is Crypto Addict here. And baka maging Forex Addict na tayo, guys, no? So let's dive deeper in the future about XM application. And let's trade as well. So I'm planning to do live trading. I've been planning to do technical analysis, no? Kasi for me, much expert ako sa Forex talaga kaysa sa crypto. That's why I'm planning to make a new channel for that, for Forex, no? So I will be just plugging it siguro sa community ko on my Telegram or in my Facebook. Of course, don't forget to subscribe again and see you guys on the next video. God bless.